Hi, Scott Hall with Moroso Performance, sales engineer. We want to show you one of the new products that we got for 2013 here at the PRI show. What Moroso's come up with is the Moroso ESP, electronic switch panel. And basically what it consists of is a switch panel for either a roll bar mount or a panel mount and an MCU that has 10 output circuits with 30 amp capability, 50 amps max. The nice thing about this product is you put it in your car, you wire it in just for all your outputs, and everything here does the rest. When you buy this product from us, it comes with factory default settings, so it's pretty much ready to go from the factory, set up what we've shown you here on this schematic, and you go right to your main components that any typical car has. But the nice thing about this product is when you load the software on either Windows XP or Windows 2012 computer, you can actually make a lot of changes on it that you haven't been able to in the past. Let me just give you a quick demonstration. Come on up over here to our Circuit Select Output Switch Panel page. And let's just say, for instance, you wire this thing up and you say to yourself, you know what? I want my O2 sensors to go off my fuel pump switch. Well, you can click it, grab it, move it over, and simple as that, download the information to the MCU, and you've made your change without having to go and rewire anything. And stuff like this just makes it a lot easier to work with. The neat part about this setup is your MCU and your laptop talk back and forth. So if we lost our laptop for some reason, all the information is in your MCU and can be uploaded to your computer or vice versa. So everything's got a lot of information here to use. Go on to our next screen. Once you've actually loaded this stuff up, some of the neat features here that we're going to take a look at is our calibrations. We're actually able to go in and do an online switch test here without actually activating any of our circuits. So you can see here, hey, are my switches set up to the correct circuits? Well, if you watch the screen, I'm actually able to go on here and show what switch goes on to what circuit without activating any product. And the neat part about it is one computer program will run up to 4 different vehicles, so it makes it really nice for guys with multiple car race teams. From there, we go to our limits and parameters screen. The nice thing about this switch panel is it has lights on it, and we're able to actually set prerequisitions on it that we can actually tell each circuit a high and a low amperage rating that we want to see. And instead of blowing a fuse, it's a microprocessor-based deal. And just to give you an example here, we've set some parameters for our demonstration here to give you an idea. We're actually able to go down here, let's say we turn on this component, green means our circuit's running, everything's happy. Well, I'm going to come over to here and turn on a component that's showing me, hey, I got a green blinking light. We've actually been able to set this thing up to show us we've fallen outside of an amperage warning that we've preset, but the green tells me the part's still running, and vice versa on a low and a high circuit. So the thing's actually able to give you the data you want. One neat feature also on level 1, we have a circuit timeout. How many times have you left your water pump or your fan running on your car for too long? When you come back from a run and you turn off your ignition, you can actually set a timeout for, let's say, 15 minutes on your water pump and fan, so instead of the stuff staying on, it actually shuts off after a certain time parameter. And we have a starter disable deal that actually shuts your starter off if it's above a 2000 RPM or a preset RPM limit. These are some of the basic things that you see with the ESP. There's a second level and even a third level that comes with full data acquisition. So you're able to take something that just starts off as a switch panel but becomes a full parameter-based program to run your car with. And at the end of the day, if you choose to, you can have data acquisition, run it at the racetrack. We're looking to sell this in the street rod market, marine market, and generator market. These things are now available right now at Moroso, and you can go to moroso.com to get any type of downloading updates or call Moroso and you can get this thing ordered and have it in your car for the 2013 season. Thanks a lot.